Hello everyone, welcome to week 2 of the course here. I got some different scenery up here since it's springtime getting into summer. I thought I would put up this winter scenery because it's part of my little short topic here about being a little about consistency. Uh, starting what you finishing what you started. As I look in how the first week has gone as of Saturday afternoon, quite a few are in there doing great. But then there's quite a few who are not in there. And so if this applies to you or doesn't, you can pass this on to somebody it might apply to. But, being consistent. So I use runners as analogies a lot, and I've not just got the winter up here, I also got the summer or the spring. So, runners are people who are consistent no matter what the weather and what the time. School is the same thing. If you have not heard me talk before about consistency with school and making school part of your life instead of something extra you're going to do on a Sunday night, because this is a choice you made to pursue a degree, a diploma. Found some of these little quotes here. If you want to be taken seriously, you got to be consistent. If you just show up once in a while, you're cheating yourself because you signed up to do something and you're not doing it. Commitment means staying loyal to what you said you were going to do long after the mood you set it in has left you. Now, I know there's things that happen, there's legitimate things and there's also excuses. But you got to stay consistent to what you started out, what you want to do. You also want to know this material when you're finished. Just doing something on a Sunday night to get by, you don't know. You're not going to become an expert in what you're studying. So I got this. Being consistent doesn't come by chance. It's a choice. If you're making a conscious decision not to get in here, almost every day and do your readings and get your assignments done, that's a choice you're making. Like say, sometimes there is a legitimate reason. You're in a hospital or something like that, but generally, that's usually when I talk to students, that's usually what I find out is the case is it's just a little lack of self-discipline. Discipline. So that's it. There's that runner again. So, but anyway, so that's my point this week is, you got to have discipline. Got to finish what you've started. This thing of doing doing your school one hour a week or something like that just ain't gonna cut it for you. But anyway, so enough on that. Let's jump into the course real quick. Like I said, those of you that are in there, you're doing great on the discussions. The homeworks I've seen so far so good. If there's an issue, I send it back to you. Upcoming week here, you got like 3 more chapters. Talking about present value, the structure of the interest rates, and how they work. So, interesting chapter if you're interested in interest rates and how they work. Maybe not so interesting if you're not interested, but it's something that you need to have an understanding, especially for business, because depending on what you're doing in business, if you're going to be making a decision based on what to invest or what to purchase, and the interest rates and how they're structured. There's a lot of different ways of creative financing that goes into interest rates. So it's an interesting topic and just one of those other things you're going to need to know. So, all right. So again, upcoming week, you got your presentations, you got these flashcards, which are pretty good, the discussions. Make sure you get in there by Wednesday, the first one, which means you should be doing some readings and stuff ahead of time so you know what you're talking about, the assignments and the quizzes. So that's pretty much it. I will let you go here with my test question. Oh yeah, last week we talked about, all right. So this week, you can tell me what's going on here with my grandkids, a 6.5-year-old, 2.5-year-old. So there you go. With that, I will let you go and just have a good week. And I'm 7 days a week if you don't know that already, so you can get in touch with me anytime, and that'll do it, everyone. So all right, take care, have a great week, and get in touch if you need anything.